that too obvious, okay, I like your confidence. Oh, that's what good confidence, okay, that Kalani is. I just like Kalani is, okay, where the party is. Where the party is.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl J to the A, to the L, to the I, to the Y, to the A, to the H. And I'm back with another video. This is spend July 4th with me. I'm trying to be a little quiet because it's kind of early. But we're going to the water park, fireworks, barbecue. So, spend the day with me. So let me show you guys my outfit. I got these slides, this shirt. They're kind of big, but I'm gonna tie it up. Then these shorts. And also my cousins are here from out of town. These are like, you know how you got the cousins that we always do this sleepovers with. This is those cousins, but we're missing two. We're missing my cousin Isaiah, which he's going off to the army. So he's in base training right now. My favorite cousin Samaya, she's not here either. She is on her own, but she's been like FaceTiming us and stuff, so she's here but not here. We're gonna meet the rest of the gang. Let's get dressed. It's gonna rain today, y'all. I pray it don't rain. It definitely looks like a rainy day. And it says it's supposed to be 81, but it's supposed to rain. I pray it don't rain because, like, don't bum us out. Let's get ready. Okay, YouTube. So, we're not going to the water park because, obviously, like I said earlier, it's going to rain. This is the outfit. Boom, 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 boom. So, I have the, okay, outfit. Bow, bow, bow. Anyways, I don't know what we're gonna do today, but yeah, it's canceled. Kinda happy it did because I'm gonna go like out of town. Like Sunday is Thursday. More money to save. So hey, being in your city for the 4th for any holidays is. But my cousins are here, so we're gonna make the best of it. So I'll probably get something to eat because I'm starving. But I'm going to get to you guys. So he's dressed for the 4th, guys. He got on his red and blue and white. So we're going out to eat. Let's see who the last person that's out the door. There.
Shit.
And then there goes my mama. There she go. Okay, then Mello, then... They look like bums. I don't want them in the vlog. That's his outfit. We match his slides. But guys, yeah, I'm not related to them. The door for me. Anyways, that's so good. We don't know them. They just with us. So they learn how to dress. Okay, guys, let's talk to y'all when we get some food. At Applebee's, we missing 3. Say hi, Faye. Faye. Say hi.
You gotta wear 4th of July colors.
Look at this nigga. He want to be in the vlog so bad.
Actually, I was coming over here to play with the dog.
Better than. Yeah, this is everybody.
Take you a nap. Let me throw you a nap.
And then look at Troublemaker all over there. So we're about to play Uno No Mercy.
You say a color and she has to draw until she gets it.
Yellow.
Okay.
Y'all have to draw all these freaking cards.
So
Okay,
now you
but
have
wait.
to draw until you get a
So I
yellow.
can't put something on top of that?
Not until you get a card.
You gotta draw until you get yellow.
Lily probably took all of them. She didn't even shuffle these cards.
She said that, but she gave me a gray hand, so.
Oh, this game is
Dang.
ridiculous.
Right.
Oh, and then you have to show him, but only him.
I don't gotta show him nothing.
Take that ball.
No way.
That's what you
It's
get.
yellow.
That's what she get. Cause Lily didn't even shuffle these cards. I said that. Let me. Come on.
Okay guys, so it started raining and everybody moved to the garage and I came in here. We tried to play Uno but we got bored. So I guess now we're about to watch TV. I don't know what we're about to do, but we're not doing anything. We were supposed to go to the water park, but it's raining. Just ready for we can do the fireworks for the 4th of July. Even Faith chilling in the house. Faith. Hey. Hey. We're about to watch whatever this is, so we'll get to y'all when we do the fireworks.
Told you. We in here.
It's the 4th of July, guys.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th.
KJ, get in the video. Be a family.
Be part of the family.
Right.
I got one of TT in there.
There she go.
Hey, Weeda.
Oh, wow. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird, focus, and bird, bitches to go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey, trick, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further. I promise. Ain't there something deep? Search for fiction. You want to play most wanted. Ain't no love, boy. You ball boy. Let's get ready to slow. Since 2009, I had this big jumping. You need to get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes. Well, over your phone. They have professional options. Pussy. Think about straight, they touch. Now, things all up in conscious. Might like this, what it got you. Got a pop star, quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident. I'm in on you. Proud, get challenged. Fuck no rain guard. He was in jail. That's kind of it. Get his face.
Hey guys, so don't mind my hair, but like black fireworks at my nana house.
How you doing, Mary? How you doing?
So we all sitting out here. So Milo is terrified.
They trying to put out theirs over there.
Michael, come and see yours.
Turn the car around. You talk about leaving. Come here. Okay, Tim. Fuck like fuck. Look, Pup said fuck that. Pup get right in front of the cop. Don't be laughing at my baby. Get my phone off the baby.